In this video I will show you how to fix a Bosch washing machine that has a problem with the screen constantly flashing. There may be several reasons for this failure, so several things need to be checked. First, the cable connections in the front panel to the washing machine control board should be checked. It's possible that moisture has oxidized connections, so start there. Open the top lid of the washing machine, then unscrew the 3 screws behind the detergent drawer and release the front panel. This is one of the jacks and cables that need to be checked. Remove the front panel. After making sure that there is no problem with this cable connection, disassemble the front panel. Remove the board and disassemble until you reach the ribbon cable between the board and the display. Check the sockets for oxidation. Check both links here. This is the first part of the problem check. If everything is fine with the cable connections in the front panel, it means that you most likely have a power problem in the main power supply board that supplies power to the front panel. It is very important here to remember the locations of all the cables, exactly where they plug in, because there are a lot of them and it can get confusing when putting them back together. Take pictures and make some markers if necessary. To fix this problem for just a few cents, you will need a soldering iron and the skills to replace a single component on the circuit board. If you don't feel like doing this, you can order a new power supply board by searching for it by the number on the sticker on the old one, but the repair will be more expensive. And the real problem comes from the wear of a capacitor on the board. If you don't have equipment to measure the capacitance of the old capacitors, just trust me and replace this one, and to be safe, all the ones similar to it on the board. Replace with capacitors of exactly the same values. Replace, reassemble and try.